In this video, you will know the basic about the URTOPIA app and how you can benefit from it. Open the app. In the home screen, you will see your location and weather. On the top right is the support access. We are always here to help. Below that is your writing stats. You can check your writing stats in different time periods. Below that is news. Here you can find all the latest news and stories about URTOPIA, also the news from the industry. Please stay tuned. Beside is the user guide. You can find some helpful tips for your bike. Below all this section, you will find your recent rides. Click into it. You can find the detail of your ride. And view your ride recording. Most importantly, you can share it to the community by access the share button on the top right corner. Click the More button. You get to access all your writing history. Next is the community page. In here you can find what URTOPIA family are sharing. You can interact with it by liking the post or leave your comment. On the bottom right you can create a post and share your thoughts. Access the Smart Bar function. You can have full control of the Smart Bar. You can change the active bike or add a bike at the top right corner. Normally the bike will connect to your phone automatically when nearby, but you can manually connect it by pressing the Bluetooth button. Here you can beep the bike, turn on or off the bike, turn on or off the light, and turn on and off alarm mode. Next, you will find some adjustment control, like volume level, vibrant level of the grip. Addition to that, you can customize your sound. Connect to the built-in Bluetooth speaker on the bike. In the advanced setting, you can switch on or off the auto lighting function and network. Change the units setting to your liking. To add a fingerprint, tap the fingerprint connection. Follow the on-screen instruction to register your fingerprint. Check the bike information in the About tab. Here you can update the bike through OTA. Check or recharge the Connect service. And deactivate the bike if needed. In the location page, you can tap the bike icon to locate your bike anytime. You can set up the navigation. If you connected to the bike, the navigation message will be pushed to the bike screen, so you can focus on the road.
Head southeast on, then turn left.
In the Mine page, at the top right corner, you can find the Notification Center. In the setting you can customize what notice you want to receive. Beside that is the app setting, which have more detailed information about URTOPIA. Click into your icon. You can change your personal detail. Next you can discover the Ride to Earn program, which give you carbon credit based on the carbon dioxide you save from every ride, and can be used to redeem products. Below that you can see the community post you liked before, pendant you have, and all of your posts. Down below you can find your medals collection which you earned during your ride. Next you can set a riding goal for a month to give yourself a bit challenge and target. Below that is your riding stats. You can check your riding stats in different time periods. Now you know the basic of the app. Have fun when using it. For more help, please contact support@URTOPIA.com.